Breaking news. Full speech. Buhari speaks at United Nations General Assembly. Hello, my wonderful people. Today, the 24th day of September, we told you that President Muhammadu Buhari will be in the United States of America, New York precisely, and the United Nations headquarters, where he'll be addressing UN alongside the 1 million march to get UN's attention to to call for a referendum in Nigeria, also ongoing. Here's the full speech. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari has addressed the 76th section of the United Nations General Assembly in New York, USA. In his speech, President Muhammadu Buhari, made available to Daily Direct, spoke on COVID-19, terrorism, corruption, global food system, human rights, among other issues. Speaking on COVID, President Muhammadu Buhari thanked the international community for the concerns and the prompt response to the pandemic. The solidarity and the drive to contain the first truly global health emergency of our time in a pointer to the many things we can achieve if we work together, Mr. Buhari has said. The president equally said Nigeria made various efforts to contain the virus and had daily onslaught on Nigerians. He revealed that the country built isolation center and emergency hospital ward in record time all over the country. Buhari remained grateful to the assistance received from all partners and friends from all over the world, including vaccination and the key to our safety and emergencies from the pandemic. We fully support the vaccines and all that is being put together. We also thank the United States of America, Turkey, India, China, European Union, and other countries for providing. Despite the acknowledgement, however, I would like to reiterate my call for a fairer and more equal, able distribution of all that is needed to quench this. We can fight and contain the pandemic. And the wave of never for us not to neglect that everyone needs it. My combating illegal financial flow. My constraint has been financial flow. Mr. Buhari said the recovery and the return and the acquiring of assets have potentials to provide resources for the immediate terms of financing development in this era of the COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. The former military ruler said Nigeria intends to build a climate resistant economy that eventually will help to develop more sectors for the economy to generate wealth and bring the people to full speed. Let me first, on behalf of the government and the people of Nigeria, congratulate you on your well-deserved elected as president, the 76th section of the United Nations General Assembly. I would like to assure you of the full support and cooperation of the Nigerian delegate throughout your tenure. I would like to commend your predecessor and all that I hear Buhari has said while addressing the people. And Buhari went on to talk about other issues of national community and how the United Nations should work together to ensure unnecessary takeover by unconstituted person. Nigeria remains deeply committed to all that will help generate great and better economic environment for all. Nigeria is deeply concerned about the illegal trade, transfer, and circulation of small arms, light weapons, the excesses and accumulation and uncontrolled spread of many regions of the world, having devastated human resources and social economic consequences on the account of Nigeria, of Africa. It is on this note I would like to call the world for the Arms Trade Treaty to be accountable for those things that are flying around. We must deal not only with the symptoms of conflict, but also immediately causes those things that fuel conflicts. This include poor, undemocratic government, human rights abuse. Buhari is talking about human rights abuse. It's Buhari, oh. Human rights abuse, poverty, ignorance, injustice, and lawlessness in society, and inequality. There are no easy solutions to this condition. They require long-term investment and more effectively international cooperation. In this connection, my delegations underscore the importance of promoting peace and ensuring that we work together as a people. This will facilitate the achievement of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development on the African Union Agenda of 2063. The West Africa, especially our democratic gains of the past decades, are now being eroded. The recent trade of unconstitutional takeover of power, sometimes in recent lateral system, has led to African being in a situation that they cannot really get themselves out. Nigeria is fully in support of the ECOWAS to address the growing challenges that are facing Africa, both Africa Union and United Nations. In these regards, I would like to reiterate that as leaders of our individual member states, we need to adhere to constitutional provision of the countries, particularly on terms limits. This is one area we generate crisis and political tension in our sub-Sahara. Well, your president's speech continue on and on and on. But what is really intriguing me and getting me is the fact that, okay, let's go to where Buhari said that the country is being combated with Boko Haram and the Boko Haram terrorist group through fragments of different sets coming together to cause a threat to Nigerian union and unity. We still are active on this, and Nigeria will continue to work closely with the UN to combat terrorist bodies in the country and to bring it to an end. Nigeria has spared no effort in addressing the challenges of terrorism and the activities of Boko Haram in the northeast Nigeria and Lake Chad region, as well as banditry in the northwest and north central of Nigeria. The security bodies are working tirelessly on this. So this is what President Muhammadu Buhari said, addressing different issues as regarding what could be potentially happening. But truth be told, is this man telling the truth? Because we need to address this issue. Is he telling the truth? So this is what we are talking about. The person that is called the president is the one that will stand before the nations of the world to look into issues, and that's why we must be very sincere. Leave us a comment. We would like to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, we are all in it together. God bless. Bye for now.